Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix Messenger video call sound on an iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, ensure that the volume on your iPhone is turned up and not muted. You can adjust the volumes using the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone. After that, simply go to the App Store from your home screen. Then search for the Messenger app in the search address bar. And ensure that you have the latest version of the Messenger app installed on your iPhone. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that could resolve the sound issues as well. So after you update the Messenger, simply go back to the Settings app on your iPhone. Inside Settings, tap on the General, and in General, scroll down and tap on the iPhone Storage. And in iPhone Storage, search for the Messenger app from the installed apps there. Scroll down and search for the Messenger and tap on the Messenger. After you tap on the Messenger app, you will get to see the offload app and delete app option available on your screen. So here you can see offload app in blue highlights. Simply offload the app and reinstall Messenger. As a last resort, you can try deleting the Messenger app from your iPhone and then reinstalling it from the App Store. This can help resolve any issues with the app itself. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.